guys, so hey guys, this is KMCers whatever. Welcome back to the vlog. So today, it's currently Monday and I spent the morning editing the vlog that goes up tomorrow and getting the Friday video up for you guys. So as you are seeing that, those videos will be out. But then I am now working on my Mother's Day gift. So I can't really show you anything because that will be its own separate video. So that is what I'm doing today. Alright, so hey guys, today is currently Tuesday and I am just waiting and hanging out, waiting for them to come and deliver our new couch and take our old couch away. Okay, this is the last day with the couch. Last day with the couch, Panda. Last day. Last time with this couch. Last time in Moose's spot right here. Sad. A little bittersweet sadness. Right guys, so the new couch is in, but as you can tell, the problem is how do I get into the room? So I think tonight Chris and I are gonna have to rearrange everything that we did because I don't think it's gonna fit. But yeah, our new couch is in. It's so big though, oh my gosh. I am so sorry. The lining in this room, really bad. But basically they came, delivered it, they put all the pieces, hooked them all together, and set it up this way. And we realized pretty quickly that this is a lot bigger than we expected it to be. In this room, we thought we had plenty of space, but that is choosing to be not the case. We don't. So we're gonna have to like rearrange a lot of our living room that we just arranged this weekend. It isn't gonna work the way that we thought it would because you won't be able to get in and out of this room through this way because this last piece of couch is a reclining couch, and when it's reclined you can't get into this room. I've even shifted this couch like completely over to the edge of the wall right here. And it still is not enough space. Like right now I can kind of walk through it, but it's very tight. What, babe?
Definitely sticks out further than I thought.
So this is what our living room looks like right now. So there's the one couch we had to rearrange a little, right? Because this thing is huge.
Yeah. Way bigger than we remembered it.
So we had to move the TV back. I don't think I'm going anywhere today. It's a little snowy and windy. But damn, it's cold. And Panda's out there going to the bathroom. Here she comes. There's Panda. Like it's cold out there.
Alrighty guys, so we are currently in a blizzard and I thought I would spend my day working on my Mother's Day gift. So that's what I'm doing today. Chris right now has been home. We're not sure if he goes into work today or not. We're waiting on word on if we're gonna have work or not have work. So he's at home right now. Panda is just bundled up in her little sweater because she's cold. Can you see her? Can you see her with her squirrel? Anyways, we're just chilling out with the storm right now. We do have power. A lot of people don't have power, and so I'm working on my Mother's Day gift. Well, I'm doing nothing today, so that is what I'm doing.
Lovely windows. Can't see anything, and our power is currently out. It's like 7:30 in the morning. Preston's coming home from work because they called his work to closure because of the blizzard, and it is awful out there. You can just hear the wind howling. It's terrible.
Well, guys, we are out of power. Power is out now. It went out and then it came back within like a few seconds. And then now it's out again, so.
You're a hunter and your power goes out. We boil water and eat hunting meals. Fun stuff. It's all ice mainly, and snow and wetness. And our tree that fell is right there. Step 2, pouring back. We got our little lights going. Like we're eating spaghetti tonight.
Yeah.
And you let it sit. See? Voila! Spaghetti. And it smells really good, actually. I've never had the spaghetti one.
It's not bad.
I usually eat the breakfast ones. Pretty sunset after our terrible weather that we had. Nothing like power outage feeding time. Got everyone bundled up. It's starting to get cold. Currently 8:45. It's probably like in the 50s in the house right now. Starting to get cold. Going on 12 plus hours of being out of power. 12 plus hours. Which honestly, it hasn't been too bad. We haven't been too bad because it's not that cold outside. Honestly, I think it's supposed to just get into the late 30s, maybe little 40s. So I don't think it's supposed to get super cold tonight. So that's a good thing. And the road that's outside of town here is completely blocked all the way to the state line, which is, I don't know how many miles, but 7 miles. I guess it's 7 miles of backed up traffic. There's power lines down everywhere. It's quite the storm. Get power! And it is not 66, it's 57 degrees. That's what he set it to. We finally got power! It's, see, 57. It's currently 10 o'clock and we are about to go to bed. I just let the dog out to go to the bathroom. I just walked in the door, and I said, you can hear the trucks out there working on the lines. And then the lights came on. We have power! So now we can shower. We're gonna have heat tonight, so that's nice. But finally got power after 15 hours almost of no power. Finally got power. Guys, it's currently Thursday, and yes, I'm home from work again. I've been off work all week. I haven't went to work. Well, I mean, I went to work on Monday for 2 hours. And then I came home sick. I was sick Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday I have off, and then today's Thursday after the big snowstorm. So everybody canceled, so I didn't go to work today. So I've been off all week. So I got a week off of work, I guess, but I'm still sick. I've been doing a puzzle. Me and Preston started that puzzle yesterday when the power went out. And yeah, I'll show you guys our snow. So our blizzard was yesterday. Yeah, looks like there wasn't a blizzard anymore. The ice is finally melting off my windows. I can finally see out of this window. I haven't been able to see out of this window for, over a day. The water is flowing. Look at all the snow is melting. This was covered. It was a huge drift out here. There's still a drift because, yeah, there's still like a huge drift because my house goes here, so the sun doesn't touch it, so it doesn't melt. But it's all melting. And Preston thought this was funny. Look at all the little sticks on our window. Yeah, that's from the wind yesterday. We have sticks in our yard. It was a mess. Yesterday was literally awful, but power's back on. after 15 hours of being out of power. Snow is melting, ice is melting off all the windows, we can't use our front door still, and we have a broken tree in the backyard. That is kind of what has been going on. This is the whole entire puzzle. Almost done with it. So that's what I've been doing today. I did laundry. You can hear it in the dryer probably. Cleaned up, folded laundry. Yeah, did a little cleaning stuff because I'm still sick. So I'm still kind of trying to relax so I can really get over it because I'm going back to work next week no matter what. I gotta work. But yeah, that's kind of my update. We have power now. So yeah. So happy first day of spring. Our last day of winter, they just really had to have a blizzard and really, you know, show us that it's not the end of winter yet. So we got a bunch of snow, but today is spring. It's 50 degrees out and now all of our snow is melting. So it's a good first day of spring, but happy first day of spring, guys. It's always nice to hit spring. Spring is like my favorite season of the whole entire year. So yeah, I'm excited. You know what the worst part about this blizzard is that with the ice going all over my windows and stuff during it and everything, which looks like my front door maybe is melted off now. But now I have to wash all my windows. All my windows are nasty. I mean, you could just see the dirt and the sticks and the mud and the buds off the trees because they were already starting to bud in my front yard. And so now I have to wash all the windows in my house. So that's probably like the worst part about all this. But yeah, I just thought I'd have to share that. I'm currently sitting down to eat some lunch. Okay. You want water? Get water. A darn dog. I need some lunch. And I got some spring stuff out and I'm just starting to watch a show because I've been doing the puzzle literally all day. Look how dirty the window is. Look at that. Look how dirty that is. I'm gonna have to wash all of them. They're terrible.
I am sorry, guys. It is Friday. Can't believe it's already Friday. Where has the week gone? I haven't vlogged anything this week just because I've been working on my Mother's Day gift and I can't show you guys that because that is its own separate video. Hey, look, for my sister. This little carrot. Oh, I wasn't even recording, but we're going into there. He's hungry.
A lot of loads later and 3 chainsaws. The tree is gone and picked up. We got some of like the stumps still. This is the piece that was hooked to the tree still. But still got some of the big stumps here because my cousin's gonna take it for firewood. So these are all the big stumps that we got. But we had all the trees laying here. I'll send Kiersten a picture to put in. But yeah, got it all taken to the dump and it's finished. So the tree's all picked up.
Alright guys, so we got done shopping and we're gonna give you a little haul. Starting with the insides, the vinyl record of Thomas & Rutt's new album, some Starbies, coffees, Krispy Kreme donuts, some binding, a new Easter towel for our kitchen. Look how cute these dogs are. So cute. So cute. I don't want to take it all the way out of the bag, so I'm not gonna. But we also got fabric. Oh, we got a movie DVD haul for you. We got the Ghostbusters original Bring It On. Look at that handsome man. We got Holes, got Pirates of the Caribbean at World's End. Number 3.
That's 3.
RV. Oh, we got Expendables 2.
Love.
We got American Pie Book of Love. Great movie, love this. Ice Princess. Big Daddy.
At Gate. It's an anime series.
Yeah. So, that is our haul for today. Is that everything?
That's everything.
Alrighty guys, so that is going to conclude our vlog for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys did this week. Subscribe if you haven't already. And turn on that bell notification so you're notified when we post every single Tuesday and Fridays when we feel like it. This KMCers whatever, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.